In this video, I will walk you through the active learning feature of our app, which is a powerful way to improve your model's performance by selecting the most informative frames for further labeling. By focusing on these informative frames, you can enhance your model's accuracy by labeling a smaller number of frames. In the app, we use various error metrics to first select frames that the model struggles with. We then use a clustering method to select a diverse set of frames from that pool. To start the active learning process, I will load my first demo project. To use active learning, you will first need to train at least one model, since we use the model predictions to select informative frames. Next, you will need to decide which video you want to label frames from. I recommend using a video that you have not yet labeled frames from, as the models usually benefit from training on frames from a variety of subjects. If you have not run inference on this video, make sure to do so using one of your already trained models in the Train Infer tab. Once inference is complete, we can go to the Extract Frames tab to continue the active learning process. Under Select Data Upload Options, you will now see a third option called Automatically Extract Frames Using a Given Model. This is the active learning option. Select this. Now I will select the model I want to use to extract those informative frames for further labeling. I will select my supervised model, but feel free to select any of your models. Next, I will select the video I want to extract frames from. Remember that you will only see the videos on which you have already run inference with this model. If you do not see the video you want here, run inference on that video in the Train Infer tab, then return here. As before, select the number of frames and the portion of the video you want to extract frames from. I will leave this at 20 and extract frames from the full video. Once you click Extract Frames, you will see a progress bar indicating that extraction has started, and you will get a message when it's done. After extraction is complete, we can move to the Label Frames tab. In your project, you should see 20 new unannotated frames. You can label these frames and then train new models. You can repeat this process with new videos and new models until you are satisfied with the model performance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next tutorial.